And we're going to try and unicycle along the beach. Don't know how well this is going to work, and I am successfully unicycling along the beach. How's it going? Alright. And I stacked it. Hello and welcome back to another video. So we're here at the Bunbury beach and we're on the unicycle. Hello puppy. Make sure you click that little subscribe button somewhere in the corner if you want to see more videos. I do things just like this. Chase sunsets and film it. Wow, I'm on a unicycle in some way. This place is purely awesome. I think it's going to be really awesome to get the drone in the air. So we're going to set up a little substation over here where we can take the drone off and fly it up. Get Sparky the drone up in the air.
On my own, but I don't know why you hit the road, but you don't realize I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back. I don't know why she told me it's not your fault, but you don't realize that I never wonder what's the truth in your eyes.
My drone is currently just sitting in the middle of the air waiting for a further instruction, but I have a feeling those waves are going to hit me. They almost do. Yes, they almost do.
I won't look back.
Mr. GoPro. We finished with Sparky the drone. The sunset has happened. I think I got some pretty good footage. I still have a full battery, but I won't use it. Not really any point. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click that little subscribe button. Hope you enjoyed this. I definitely did. I love this place. Sparky the drone, well, that just delivers the best footage in the world. To me anyway. But anyway, hope you enjoyed. Make sure you click that big thumbs up. Leave a comment if you like it. I'm getting distracted by these waves coming towards me. Oh, I gotta end the video. Bye!